Got here. Power up. Into the wind. One, two altitude hold. Fighting into the wind. I gotta get into this other mode. I know there's another mode, there's steady mode and agile mode or something, but I'm just flying. I just want to get a little stick time on this thing. Just want to get a little stick time, not really worried too much about it. It's a windy day, so we're not gonna go crazy. We're gonna buzz around in a circle, helicopter flying by, it won't bother him. Flying into the wind, tough. So new area south of town. A little one more open space here. And switched along pretty good with the wind. Wind to her back. Moving real fine there. GPS 0. Okay, there we go. We are in GPS lock and it's having a hell of a time fighting it. Okay, let's bring it home. We're going to do a test on our wind here. Come home, come to Papa. Wind is definitely blowing up there. It's having a hell of a time holding the spot. Let's see how she lands. Ready to take 0. I got the power turned down. Looking good up there, baby. Come on down. Here it comes. Set her down. Nice. And should lock the sticks. Sticks are locked. Nice. That helicopter's having the same problem I am. Alright, we got a little time left. With altitude hold 1, 2. 2 altitude. And I'm just learning this baby, and it's a handful in the wind. And the wind taker. We're in stable mode. Getting too windy, guys. It's going to be the only flight of the day. Turn down. Power down, baby. Power down, all by itself. Nice job.